Good morning. Where you are you tell some information about you. My name is Jesus David Caicedo Solis. I am 29 years old. I'm from Palmira, Colombia. I am a student of industrial engineering and UNAC. While studying, I work for Ningun company. I'm a region-wide teamwork. I pay my university student a personal of family expenses. Why are you staying and weekends? My staying lies in my ability to work under pressure, planning good management, and ability to attention to work and short time. On the third arm, I consider a weakness, not being persistent at time, one time to health, outer or neglecting my work because of the do your house plan for education. I am not applying for future and want to continue with a master or specialization in engineering in virtual distance modality, seeing facilitate for money and time. In the case, a student work with and main engineering work contributed to the sustainability and development of the region. Which do you think you are student for this position? I think I am the right person for this job because my experience in industrial engineering and business management I gave my skills to perform a company like yours. Then from my experience I can bring a problem. What are your short-term goals? In the short term, hope to find hopes that will allow to continue with my postgraduate studying, acquiring more experience on the domains Apple's what's already we know. What are your long-term goals? And the long-term, I hope be involved in industrial development project that benefits the community in wildlife is a way to contribute with my talents and knowledge on the other and have a high feeling of favor with my work and the different jobs. Please describe your work experience. My experience in industrial engineer and they link to the operation of many companies in the country for the high coordination processing into management and provision of economy of production process of the have I participate in the design and implementation of environmental projects associated with engineering. While at the seat on managing position high jokers of industrial engineering in recent years all has positions such plant manager, high logistics, distribution, managing processor analyst, quality management and insurance are the same thing. I trained for me employed of Vision World War II about two companies in which I working. One string worth of your to teamwork team by knowledge and experience in the provision book, especially in the verification, management, and quality on the production on the different areas. What speed can you help to improve in your professional area. The area space can help to improve in my professional area to studying or educating training, managing of quality of production of companies in cities in by my work experience on work life or the continue expanding it. What can you do for the world from professional perspective? From my professional perspective, I can contribute worldwide the car and handling on the production taken on the company-wide work. In addition, I can contribute on the management of innovation processes type over time facilitate the aim of boosting management process of and environmental impact for example. Thank you.